here is why you should print your work. Now, I have not printed everything I've ever made, obviously, otherwise I would have thousands of prints, but I really try to print my favorite work, and there's a really good reason why. But first, let me just show you a few examples here. I've got a whole wall of prints. I print them all at about 11 by 17 or 12 by 13, just because that's the same aspect ratio as my camera that I use, but it really doesn't matter what you do as long as you consider printing. So I just want to show a couple of prints here. I just grabbed some random ones, nothing too crazy, but this is a knife that I photographed when I was first starting to learn lighting. I thought it would be a really tricky one to learn because it's glossy, it's reflective, there's black material, there's metal material, and it was very tricky. I ended up suspending it with some fishing line before I really knew better ways to rig stuff up in a floating situation. I learned how to get the angles of light off of the various different parts of the knife. And I learned how to do some retouching, create some really pretty light on it. But I had so much fun learning how to make this, and I think it turned out really pretty. I'll put the digital version up on screen so you can see the final results. But when you print, it really makes you think a little bit deeper about the art you're making. At least for me, it does. It makes me want to refine and make the best art that I can because I'm gonna memorialize it into a hard print. And after I print it, I typically don't want to keep adjusting it digitally afterwards. I mean, you can, but once it's printed, to me, it kind of feels like it's set in stone. It allows me to move on and progress through my career. Now, I wanted to share with you this photo here. This is a day back in 2019 when I was working for a company, and they took me on a trip to do a production in San Francisco. And I had the opportunity to spend about a half day before I got there, before everything started, to myself. So I Ubered over the Golden Gate Bridge and went up onto the Highlands up there and hiked, and just all by myself, sat with my camera, and it was just this perfect day. The lighting was amazing. I got some time lapses there, which I'll pop up on screen too. But the reason I printed this was more for the nostalgia. This was one of my favorite days of my life. And that's not to say I love San Francisco. It's not to say I love the Golden Gate Bridge. It's to say that I feel like this is when I really fell in love with photography, because I was sitting up there by myself. The conditions were perfect. And as I came back down the mountain, I noticed that there was a moon sitting right above the Golden Gate Bridge. Totally unplanned, golden hour, the light was perfect on the bridge, the light was perfect in the sky, the moon was right there. I took this shot, very little post-production work. I think I changed the hue of the sky to be a slight bit more teal, but everything's there. This isn't a composite, this isn't photoshopped, it's just the way it is. And to me, this was a moment in my life that meant so much to my career. I love that day. It's one of my favorite days of my life. Still to this day, I think of it fondly. Even though I walked all the way across the bridge and up and down, and I probably walked 12 miles just doing this photo, it was so special to me. So I loved it. So I printed it because this to me is a big, important thing. And it's not the most technically beautiful image. I think it's nice. I think I shot this on 55mm lens that I had at the time. And yeah, it was perfect. It was really perfect. It might have been my 85mm, I'll have to check, but that's another reason to print, is for the memories. And then finally, I wanted to show you this one. This is printed on metal, but the third reason that I recommend printing is to show off your work, man. To show it off. This was my first entry into the International Photographic Competition with Professional Photographers of America. I've never submitted there before, and this went silver in the commercial category. And I was very, very proud of this. So to show this off on a metal print, really high gloss look, was a big deal for me. And so it's front and center in my studio here. It's really bright, it's very vivid, and I loved this shoot so much. I don't have a full tutorial on it, but I do have a little behind the scenes on my Instagram. You could probably find it. But I loved how this turned out. This really cool composite. The flame was captured in camera. The sparks there were captured in camera. And because I got silver, which is a pretty big deal, I show it off. And I think that it's okay to do that. And I've always been a very timid guy. I've always been a little bit more reserved. I don't really care to express my accolades, but in photography, it is really important to have credibility. And I think part of that, having awards, is very helpful for you. So I just like to show this off. I like to be proud of it. And people ask about it all the time because it's printed in such a way that's kind of stands off the rest of my wall. And It's a great story to just say, I know what I'm doing without saying it myself. Just let the work speak for itself. I think that's another reason to print. And also, I'm very proud of this photo. Obviously, it means a lot to me, but it's not as sentimental as this one, and it's not as foundational as this one. But it is probably one of the best photos I've ever taken, at least in my opinion. So that's why I recommend printing. I just thought this would be a fun little video. I'd be curious to know what your experience is with printing. I know some people print themselves. I think that's really cool. For me, I think it's probably a little too much work and I don't have enough space in here for a legit printer. But yeah, just let me know your stories of printing down below. Do you print yourself? What do you think it does for your mental health, I guess, with photography and your art? And of course, if you need anything at all, I'm always here to help you. You can go to lumauniversity.com to get more training, especially on lighting. I've got a free course there and some other free lighting guides and resources you can check out. And of course, I've got a huge backlog of videos here on YouTube that I'm continuing to grow and expand with, so you can check out some more videos on my page. But otherwise, yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to talk a bit about nostalgia, why I print, and hopefully inspire you to try it out if you haven't yet, or if you have, to hopefully inspire me back by leaving a comment below. That's about it. I will see you in the next one.